Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about how I got a comment from someone. They said I have over 21 credit cards from watching your videos. And I was like, really? But then I seen other comments where other people was like, you know, I got approved for the $3,000 credit card. I got approved for $1,000 credit card. Some people getting the $4,000 credit cards. So just imagine 21 credit cards, right? 21 credit cards is a lot. But I told people at one time too, using the shopping cart trick, somebody got over $20,000 in credit cards. So I definitely want to show you guys how that actually works. I want to show you the shopping cart trick all the way through because I'm getting comments saying, hey, Rickita, it's not working for me. What's going on? And I want to help you guys out. But don't forget, we can try the trick for you for free if you want us to. I'll make sure I have that link down below. But I want you guys to try to do the trick too. I want you guys to know how to do the trick. So let me make another video on this, you guys. Something up to date, something that really show you what's going on. And then I'll show you how you could possibly get over $20,000 in credit cards. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey, so the first thing I want you guys to start doing is I want you guys to clear cookies on your computer and allow pop-ups. So you want to click up here on these three dots, click there, and then you want to go down and you want to go to your settings. So right here, you'll see settings, click on settings. And then I want you guys to put pop here. Just type pop right here in the search box. Then go down to site settings. Right here on site settings, you see where it's highlighted pop-ups. Go ahead and click there. Then go down to the bottom. And then you'll see pop-ups and redirects. You'll see that that is actually highlighted again. So let's click there. And then you want to make sure that sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. So you want to allow pop-ups. On every computer, it's kind of different, but I like to just search pop. Or if you want to search pop-ups, you'll be able to see right there where it says that the sites can send pop-up and pop-ups and use redirects. So now that we have that done, that's one thing you have to do. And I want you guys to also clear your cookies. So go ahead and search cookie. And I just put cookie in and it's already popping up. So clear browsing data. So let's go there. And then you guys want to clear all of your browsing data. Now before, I know I'm showing you guys this now, but I don't have to do this. I don't have to clear all my cookies, but some people do. And a browsing history. So, you know, keep that in mind. Some people have to clear it, but I don't have to clear mine. But I see that a lot of people do have to clear it. And then when you clear it, that means that all your logins that you already logged, all your anything that's passwords and stuff that's in your computer is going to be taken off. And I don't like that. So I don't want to have to keep putting the passwords in every time because I'm keep clearing my cookies. But that's something that you may have to do. So that's just something I have to let you know that that's something that you may have to do. Now, the next thing I want you guys to do is I want you guys to make sure that you're opting in. So go to Factor Trust. I'll make sure I have this link down below. Go to Factor Trust and you'll see where it says opt in. Go ahead and click submit. So make sure you're opting in. Now you want to put information that's on your Equifax credit report on this form here. So make sure your current address is on your Equifax credit report. If your current address is not on there, you need to have it added. And you can have it added just by calling them a lot of times saying, hey, my address is this. But go ahead and put that information into this form. Everything that's like your first and last name, that shouldn't have changed. Put that on here. Put your social security number, your date of birth. Put your address with your city, state, and zip code, and then put your email address in. After you do that, click confirm. Now, what this is doing is they're actually going to give your information to the credit card companies and tell them, hey, she's looking to get credit. You know, she's opting in for you guys to send her offers in the mail because that's what you're going to get, a lot of offers in the mail. But since we're digital, you can get the offers online also. That's what I'm showing you how to do. So let's go ahead and go to the next company. After you click confirm, sometimes you got to wait like 5 to 7 business days for you to be fully in their system. So don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen right away. You got to wait to get in their system. The next one I want to talk to you guys about is a pre-screen opt-out. So let's go and look up the pre-screen opt-out. Here's the link here. I'll make sure I have this link down below for you also. But it's the same thing as Factor Trust. You want to opt into them. So what I want you to do is go all the way down to the bottom, and it says click here to opt in or opt out. Click there. make sure that you have opt-in highlighted and click continue. And then I want you to put that same information in that you put into Factor Trust that's on your Equifax credit report. Put that in here. So make sure you put all the information in here. Your first and last name, social security number, your date of birth, your address with your city, state, and zip code. They ask for your telephone number here too. So I suggest you put that telephone number in because some of the applications can pick you up just from using your telephone number. They're like, oh, I know who you are, and make it so that you can get approved. So definitely put your telephone number in. And this one is kind of different because they have the security code, but go ahead and type in the security code. And if you guys have hard time doing this, some people have a hard time doing the security code based off not being able to see, then see if there's another way you can get help with that. But put your security code in and click confirm. And then, like I said, it's going to take 5 to 7 days for you to be completely into both of their systems. But some people are already in the system, so try the trick right away. But let's get right on into the trick. This was just the first steps I want you to do before you even try this trick. So let's get into the trick. Okay, so the first thing I want you guys to do is pull up an incognito screen and go to victoriassecrets.com. Now, when you go to Victoria's Secret's website, I want you guys to look under sleep, cami set, or you can just find anything that's like $200 to $250 altogether. I like to just go under here, find something that's like $49.50 and get 4 of them. I like to just do that, but you can get whatever. Just make sure it's between $200 to $250 and you guys will be fine. But this is kind of like the same thing I get every time. If you want to follow it exactly, just go ahead and follow it exactly. Now we want to click checkout. Now that we found our items, we want to click checkout. We want to click continue to checkout. We don't want to use PayPal. We don't want to use anything. You want to click continue to checkout. Now this screen is where you're going to put in all of your information as if you're going to check out. I kind of blocked out this information because I was putting someone's actual information in to get the pop-up. But this is where you put the information in. You put your first and last name, your address, city, state, and zip code, your phone number, and your email address. Now, this is that same information that you should have put into your Factor Trust. So whatever you put into your Factor Trust, you make sure you put it in here. But yeah, after that, you go to the bottom and click that you want to continue. And when you go ahead and click continue to ship, and then you guys should be able to go over to our next page, which is going to be them confirming and giving you that pop-up. So this is confirming delivery, and then you get the pop-up saying, congratulations, you've been pre-approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card. All you have to do is pick which card you want. And then after you pick which card you want to click accept now. So they're going to need your full date of birth, your month, date, and year, and then they want the last 4 digits of your social security number twice. After that, you can scroll to the bottom. You can confirm that you read their agreements, but make sure you guys read the agreements all the way down to the bottom. Read the agreements, do finish, submit for review. After you do that, then they'll tell you exactly how much you're approved for. So a few more credit cards you guys can apply for. So the first credit card is the Camping World credit card. Now this is going to be the Good Sam's Visa credit card or just a regular Good Sam's credit card. Now when you get your offer, they're going to let you know whether they're going to have it as a Visa or if they're going to have it as just like a regular store card. So yeah, you guys, this is the credit card where I was able to help my client get the $3,000 credit card. So definitely, you guys, definitely try the Camping World. And don't forget, $200 worth of items in your cart. Check out it as a guest, and you guys will be fine. So Loft is another credit card. They have the credit card I showed you guys. They're all credit card before. Let me see if I can go to the details of them. But yeah, this is kind of what the pop-up looks like too, you guys. But yeah, this will be a MasterCard or will be a store card. So if you guys want to get regular credit cards, when I say regular, MasterCard or Visa, where you can spend it anywhere, then this will be a great card for you. But definitely check out the video that I do have on this one. I did a separate video for this. You can look up my name or you can go to my page and look up the all rewards. You'll be able to see it. A Williams Sonoma, you guys, this is a great credit card too, and this is one of credit cards you can use anywhere. So I really like that they have they have a Visa credit card that you can use, and it's easy to get approved for this credit card through the shopping cart trick, exactly like how I showed you. So definitely, you guys try the trick here. Remember, $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart, and you'll be good. The next one I want to talk to you guys about is Express. Now, with Express, it's kind of different. You know, you can get this credit card, but they're going to tell you things like you're approved for $25,000, you're approved for $75,000. But with $25,000, it's really only a $250 limit. With $75,000, it's $750 limit, and then you may even get a $100,000 pre-approval. But you guys, that's only just going to be $1,000. But for those people that need credit cards and need them to start reporting, here you go. This is what you need right here. Now, the next company I want to talk to you guys about is Lane Bryant. Lane Bryant is another clothing store, but it's a store card, and I don't think they have a Visa or MasterCard with it, just straight store card, but it's easy to get approved for those people that are just looking to get approved so that they can start building that credit. This is a great credit card that you guys can actually try with Lane Bryant. But yeah, you guys can definitely try that one. They have a Children's Place credit card. With Children's Place, you guys, I showed you this video also how somebody got approved for the Children's Place credit card, me helping them through the shopping cart trick. Don't forget, if you need help too, click the link down below. I have the link in the comments for us to actually help you do it, to see if we can get the pop-up for you. And then, yeah, you usually get your results back fairly quickly if it's not a lot of people. But this is the Children's Place credit card. You can use it at Children's Place, and it's very easy to get, so just try to do the trick. $200 to $250 in your cart, and if you're opted in and everything, you should be fine. Now, the last credit card I do want to talk to you guys about, last but not least, technically, because I'd say it's over 50 to 60 credit cards with the shopping cart trick. And if you guys are inside my exclusive membership, you guys get access to know all of those credit cards so that you guys can try this trick with each one and see if the pop-up worked for you. But Overstock.com, a client got approved for $4,000 with this credit card. So I really tell people, if you want to get a credit card, you want a higher limit, definitely try Overstock because they will give you a higher limit. Just put $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. Check out as a guest. Do the procedure, y'all. It's going to work if you're in their system. But do the procedure and you should be able to get approved. Now, Overstock they always ask at the end for your full Social Security number. They're only supposed to ask for the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Well, not they're supposed to, but they usually only ask for the last 4 digits. I've seen some people put 000 and then 00, so they'll fill in the first 5 digits of their social with zeros, and then they'll put their social in. I've seen people getting approved with that. So I'm not suggesting you guys do that. I'm just telling you that is what's happening. So if you guys want to try to Overstock, keep that in mind. Whether you want to do it or not, you know, it's up to you. I'm just telling you what's happening. But yeah, those are all the credit cards, you guys. So there's more credit cards inside the exclusive membership. Make sure you guys join and click that link down below too, so we can try the trick for you. So I know those are a lot of different credit cards. I know it's a lot of different credit cards I show you guys. But if you guys are inside of my exclusive membership, I have literally all the shopping cart trick credit cards there, plus other credit cards that you guys can apply for, because this is just a little of, this is a few of them. It's so many different credit cards with the shopping cart trick. So don't forget, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1 to start, and then you guys will have all of the shopping cart trick credit cards right there. Now, if you guys want us to do this trick for you, don't forget, go ahead and use that link that I have down below in the comments and in the description, and then we'll try that trick for you. But make sure you guys opt in first. Opt in to Factor Trust. And when you opt in to Factor Trust and the pre-screen opt-out, it's going to make sure that your chances of actually getting this to work is greater. And I tell people, wait about 5 days just in case, because you never know. Somebody, like I said, somebody said, hey, it wasn't work for me at first, but now it's working. So go ahead and opt in and fill out that form below. We'll try it for you if you can't get it to work. But if you can't get it to work, watch other videos on other credit cards you can get. Join the exclusive membership, and you guys will have so many different options on credit cards that you guys can get there. But thank you guys for watching. See you later. There's so many people out there with debt. so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.